Hey guys, it's Selene. Welcome back to my channel. I know that I've been gone for like a week or so, but I'm back with another look. It's very natural, daytime appropriate, and it's just a very fresh spring summertime look. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now so you are subscribed to my channel. If you are subscribed, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you again. If you are not, follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram link down below. And let's get right into the video. I have random breakouts on my face. I'm going to be taking this product by Paula's Choice. This is a very liquidy product. I normally apply it with cotton rounds or cotton balls, but I'm just going to grab a little bit and apply it in the areas where I need it, but it's going to help my skin while I'm wearing my makeup. This also helps prevent breakouts, which I really like because it definitely helps clog pores, breakouts, and it works really fast. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. So I'm going to let that soak into my face, and to moisturize, I'm taking this Patchology Aqua Flash Moisturizer, which is a gel-like moisturizer. What I like about this moisturizer is that it doesn't leave my skin greasy or oily, and today it's very hot. I don't want my foundation or makeup gliding all over the place. It just instantly mattifies and smooths the skin. And I literally just applied this to the center where I get sweaty. So since this look is very minimal, I'm going to apply my foundation first, and I'm taking my Nars Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Stromboli. And then just blend it out with my sponge. Whatever foundation I have left on my sponge, I'm going to apply it to my lids. For concealer, I'm taking my favorite concealer, which is the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. I just really love this one. These are the exact steps that I take. I'll even like brighten up my forehead, but not too much. I really like to focus it on the center part, like my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. For underneath my eyes, I normally like to set it with the RCMA No Color Powder, but I'm going to take this one by Maybelline, and this is the Fit Me Powder in shade 10, which is Fair Light. I really like this powder because it has a yellow tint to it and it brightens underneath the eyes. It's not meant for baking, so I don't normally leave it on for too long because then my skin looks dry. But I like to put a good amount underneath my eyes just to brighten it up. But it definitely smooths the skin. I don't know if this has flashback. Maybe I should test it out. But it looks flawless. And I like to bring it down. Apply whatever's left on my nose. Just the center of my nose. And then where I get smile lines, I'm just applying whatever is left. It's a very soft brush. I like to use this to remove powder like this one because it's very soft that it's not going to mess with the foundation. I'm literally going to dust away whatever I just put on. And you guys see how bright it leaves underneath my eyes. Now whatever's left, I'm literally just going to apply it on my lid. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it literally leaves the under eye area super smooth. Sick and tired of me using, and it's the Becca Capri Coast bronzer. I'm just so obsessed with this, and I'm super happy I was able to try this out because I would have never thought that this would be one of my favorite bronzers. And I'm just obsessed. But I do want to try more. If you guys know a very good bronzer, please let me know down below because I'm just obsessed with this one. And I always go with the same brush. This is by Vanity Planet. I'll put a link to these brushes down below because it comes with a whole set. And if you're a beginner, you just need this set and you're good. Like to start off, brush set is amazing. This blends my bronzer so well that I just keep going back to it. It's really good. And you guys can tell it's already like sculpting versus this side. I like to like blend it upward and then get more product and apply it to my temples, so like the sides of my forehead and on my forehead, but really close to my hairline, and I go in there like that. And the reason why I do this is because if you take pictures, it just looks so flawless. Your face looks so smooth and flawless because of how you're blending. And then I grab some and put it on my jawline. I like literally live for these bronzy, summery, very minimal makeup looks. I mean, minimal as in like eyeshadow is minimal, but the face is there. So I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, which I did do a video on, I don't know when, but I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. I did use this palette and I loved it so much. I did continue to use it, and I found the matte shades are bomb. Like, they're really good. I feel like they blend nice. These glittery shades right here, I don't know if you guys can see like the dents, but I was messing around with this palette and I found that when I use my finger to grab the color, which is the best way to grab the color, it really dents the shimmer shades. I'm gonna take the color Demure, I don't know how to say that, but it's like a nice pinky mauve shade, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. And I'm using my Sigma E25 blending brush. This is such a pretty color. I normally go for warm tones like mauve colors or like, you know, neutral browns, but I wanted to do like a nice pretty pink. And I'm literally just filling in where I already have hair. It's just not as dark as other areas. It's a little patchy up here. I'm just filling that in. So for the front of my eyebrows, I've been using powder, and this is an angled brush from the Vanity Planet brush set, and I love it for my brows. I'm literally just filling in the beginning. So I'm going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just lining out my eyebrows with my Sigma E58 brush, so I'm going back in with my angled brush that I use for my brows, and I'm taking the black shade in the palette, and I'm going to line the top of my eyes. This just gives you like a more softer look, and this is perfect if you're in a rush, because sometimes you don't have time to do a wing liner or to use gel. Kind of smoking it out. That's like a soft focus effect to the eyes, and it looks really good. So moving on to lashes. I don't know what these are called, but any lashes will do. And yes, I am still obsessed with this Kiss eyelash glue, and mine looks like a mess, but it's so good. It's at Ulta. I think it's like $4, and my lashes literally last the whole day. Like, I can't see myself using Duo after trying this glue out. Blush by Ofra Cosmetics in Bellini. It's just a very nice baby pink blush. And with my favorite blush brush by Sigma, the F50. I really like this brush because it deposits a small amount, so you can build it up instead of just putting on a whole bunch of blush in the apples of my cheeks, and just blend it upward. And I never smile. You know how people smile and put blush? I don't do that because I feel like everything just goes back down. When I smile, it's going to automatically do its thing. That's good. I think I need a little bit more on this side. I'm going to use that brush and literally like buff all of this in together. Like the blush with the powder and contour. Ta-da! Okay, so now I'm going to go in with highlight. And for highlight, I'm taking Fuego by Dose of Colors, which is one of my favorite highlights, and I can never put it down. It just adds a beautiful glow to the skin. So now that my lashes are dry, I'm going to go in with mascara, and this one is by Catrice Cosmetics in Glam and Doll. Love this mascara so much. See, it really opens up the eyes when you apply a lot of mascara to the bottom. And I'm going to grab some with my brush and apply it to the inner corners. It brightens up the eyes more, and that looks really, really pretty in person and in pictures. I'm going back in with the original crease shade that we were using. So for lips, I just got sent these beautiful shades, which are full of mauve and pinks and nudes, and I'm so obsessed. I am obsessed with these, I don't know what the style is called, but they're by Loreal. These lipsticks right here are amazing. If you guys are into lipsticks and you want to try like some drugstore ones, these are amazing. Fairest Nude, which is this guy right here, let me just swatch it for you guys, is one of my favorite drugstore nude lipsticks. Like this, it has like pink undertones. It's really pretty. I'm also a huge fan of Toasted Almond, which has more of a brown color, but I don't have it with me. This one is a beautiful nude in shade 804. This one looks like me. I really like that one. It's like a nice orangey brownish nude. Look how cute that is. Super cute. Super cute. Fairest Nude and the little gloss sheen. I think I'm gonna mix them, and they're so comfortable. They look so pretty even if you have like dry lips. I know that some lipsticks are just so hard to blend, but these are super creamy. I'm going to apply this one on top, and it's so rich in color. You guys need to try these out. I've only tried the gold ones. I've never tried the black one. I guess the black one's matte. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this glam natural look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the red button down below. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.